Passive income explained. Pigeon sees ad. Make corn while you sleep. Cool bird. Sunglasses. One wing around a baguette. Other holding a martini. Sitting on a nice Ferrari. Pigeon clicks. Now Pigeon dreams big. Buys cozy nest and drives fancy car. Never works again. Money just shows up. Then the alarm goes off. Pigeon wakes up wearing McDonald's visor. You're late. Flashing on phone. Fries stuck to wing. Passive income sounds perfect, maybe too perfect. But what is passive income? It's corn that shows up even while Pigeon rests, not like job corn that only arrives when wings are flapping, stop flying, and the corn stops too. But passive corn? That's different. It keeps coming, even on lazy days. That's the dream. Pigeon pictures hammock naps and corn smoothies with tiny umbrellas. How do pigeons get it? There are many ways. Let's take a look. Rental nest. Pigeon owns an extra nest. Another bird moves in and pays rent. At first it's nice. Corn every month. Then the roof leaks. There is mold and tenant is angry. Pigeon finds raccoon running illegal Airbnb out of attic. Also, worm infestation. Not so passive anymore. Pigeon also gets suspiciously good at reading plumbing forums. Dividend stocks. Pigeon buys shares in Big Corn Company. Every season, Big Corn sends crumbs. One day, 3 crumbs. Next day, stock drops. Value goes down and corn gets smaller. Pigeon is confused and calls broker. Broker is an owl in a tie sipping espresso saying, "Markets are mysterious, bro." Online course. Pigeon writes Corn Mastery 101. Launch day, 1 sale. It's Pigeon's mom. She leaves 3-star review. Too much corn, not enough heart. But 6 months later, sales trickle in. 100 copies sold. Not fast, not flashy, but real. Pigeon celebrates with a tiny party hat and 1 cupcake. Music royalties. Pigeon writes emotional song, Corn and Me. Uploads it to Birdify, but nobody listens, except one raccoon. Raccoon leaves comment, "This saved my marriage." Pigeon cries, in a good way. So yes, these can work. They do work. Each one needs at least one of 3 things: time, corn, or skill. Sometimes all 3. And even then, Pigeon still has to check in now and then. Passive income is in autopilot. It's cruise control. Pigeon still steers. The controls are confusing, and the dashboard sometimes cries. Then comes the trap. A shady bird in a shiny suit whispers, "Buy this book. Become a corn millionaire overnight." Pigeon buys it. The book is 3 pages long. Mostly white space. There is 1 stock photo of bread and 1 paragraph that just says, "Believe." Pigeon cries. Scammer bird flies away in private jet, but it's clearly just a toaster with wings, still trending on Bird Talk. So what actually works? Build something real and give it care. Let it grow slowly, like planting a corn stalk. At first it feels like a lot. Watering, waiting, pulling weeds. No corn yet, just hope. And 1 motivational squirrel yelling, "You got this," every morning at 6 a.m. But with time, the plant grows. It starts to feed you, little by little. Pigeon also installed tiny scarecrow. It scares Pigeon every time. The truth is, passive income is real, but it's not free. Even the laziest bird had to hustle once. Pigeon understands now, if corn falls from the sky, someone probably threw it, and they're circling back to invoice you. So Pigeon builds, carefully, patiently, and maybe one day Pigeon naps and corn falls. Real corn, not a scam. Just the result of a pigeon that wore sunglasses and a nice shirt. Only for the outro of this video. Subscribe to support Pigeon before he buys another fake ebook.